Hey friends, welcome to AI Automation Mastery Hub. So in this session, I'm going to teach a very basic fundamental N8N workflow. So this is the starting point of your N8N learning journey because we start with the very simple use case so that you can understand the interface and nodes better. So let me start. Friends, so this is a very simple use case. Like there is a school, there the teachers inform students like they need to fill the forms whenever there is a doubt. They need to fill the forms, and once they submit their doubt, that doubt will be moved to the Google Sheet, and teachers will see the Google Sheet and they will answer to email, something like that. So here the scenario is simply a form data need to be moved to the Google Sheet. That is a very basic scenario. Then see how we can do in the N8N. Let me go to the N8N and let me close this stuff. There is the existing thing. I will do fresh. So this is the very first step. I need to create a form. Click on the first step. Come over here and type form. So you can get an N8N form, and I want a new form, right? Then you need to design the form over here, the form fields over here, right? My title of the form is student doubts. And the first first field is name, second field is roll number, third field is class, and fourth field is email, and the fifth field is doubt. Very simple, 5 fields. So if I execute the step, can able to see the form, right? Okay, that's good. Then let me go back over here and let's see. Let me close this stuff. Friends, one thing you should remember in the N8N is you need to save the execution immediately of doing any modification. You need to save, because sometimes you will build a very big workflow. If you forget to save, sometimes there is a chance of losing your work. So make it a habit, like saving for every minor modification. Right, I've saved it. And what happens is it's checked, it's form executed once. Now next thing is I need to configure the Google Sheet to the form, right? uh, Click on the place button and come over here and try to Google Sheet. So in the Google Sheet, I already have Google Sheet, so no need to create a new sheet. I need to add and record row to the sheet, right? So select append row in the sheet, right? And one more, the first thing after configuration is you need to configure your Google credentials. I already configured, therefore I'm getting like this. When you click on this pen button, now for you, it will ask for the sign in with Google button. So if you sign in with Google button, you need to choose a Google account. That's it, nothing much. Then Google got connected, right? Next thing is append row from which document. Once the Google got connected, you can able to see all the documents on the Google Sheets over here, right? So this is the Google Sheet document, student doubts. Under Google Sheet document, there is a sheet, is there, Google Doubts, this sheet under document. Now I need to select the sheet also. Come down and sheet is doubts, right? So once you select the sheet, it will populate all the fields, the roll number, name, class, email over here. Okay. Then I need to map the fields of the form to fields of the sheet, right? So the mapping is very simple. Name is mapped to name, roll number is mapped to roll number, class is mapped to class, and the next email is mapped to email, and doubt is mapped to doubt. That's it. Very simple. Your form and Google Sheet got mapped. Now very simple, close this and save this. Your workflow is done. Now testing the workflow, just execute the workflow. Execute the workflow, you got the form. My name, the student name is Anand, roll number is 44, class is 6th, email something email, and doubt is what is democracy, something I selected. Now we can able to see the Google Sheet is getting executed once you submit a form, and both nodes are successfully executed because all the green ticks. Now if you go and see the Google Sheet, Anand 44, the record is there. So this is very basic, simple workflow. You can do it in 3 minutes. So please practice with this example. Thank you so much. Please subscribe if you're not subscribed my channel. Please encourage me to create more videos like this and more complex workflows like this going forward. And please like, and thank you so much for staying back till this time.